Yo, what's up sa inyong lahat mga kaparing? Kayo ba? Naranasan nyo na ba ang maka-encounter ng mga nakakatakot na bagay? Mga hindi maipaliwanag ng siyensya. Pero paano kung maging ang mga pulis na tumutupad sa kanilang mga tungkulin ay darating sa punto na mararanasan din nila ang maka-encounter ng mga hindi maipaliwanag na bagay, mga nakakatakot gaya ng multo, etc. etc. Kaya naman sa video natin ito ay papanoorin natin ang 5 o higit pa na mga encounter ng ating mga kapulisan sa mga hindi maipaliwanag na bagay. Simulan na natin.
Media has given us a chance to interact with the police in a light-hearted way like this.
Guardia de seguridad es poseído
So bago natin to panoorin ha, napanood ko na to, so bibigyan ko lang kayo ng babala na huwag kayong masyadong matakot.
mientras hacía una transmisión en vivo. El guardia confiesa que ha jugado Ouija y que esto le ha traído consecuencias.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Les quiero seguir contando una tercera
What started as a fun video ended up turning into a horror movie.
Cuando de repente es poseído. El mismo guardia comenta que todo esto empezó cuando decidió jugar.
Hindi mo makukonsider itong nagpapanggap no? Diba pansin nyo yung nagkusang gumalaw, diba yung kanyang muka? Parang may nakapaloob sa kanyang bibig na kusang gumagalaw. Diba yung kanyang mga mata, yung parang biglang may sumapi sa kanya. Yung parang bigla na lang na may umatake sa katawan niya. Spiritual, yeah.
Police officers often have to face dangerous criminals
So ito,
daily,
makaparing ang
but for this
pangalawang
police
video
officer,
natin.
the
Panoorin
danger
natin.
was way more scary than any criminal.
Suddenly, he spotted a pair of pale feet peeking out from under a door. This shocking discovery shook him, but it was only the beginning. On another night, while Tim was doing his round,
The pair of pale feet were quite scary, and you could hear from his breathing that the officer was terrified, but it gets even worse with the next scene.
May parang biglang may sumigaw. Parang may sigaw na maririnig dun sa video. Hindi alam kung saan yun nanggaling.
Who's there?
driven by
Some criminals take their evil ways beyond the grave, and unfortunately, this leads to police officers having to deal with incidents like this.
Kahit sa Pilipinas nung nangyayari to, na yung mga kriminal o yung mga wanted sa sementeryo talaga nagkukuta o nagtatago. Kaya 'di ba yung sementeryo, madalas inaatake yon o nire-raid yun ng mga pulis. Madalas may mga pinapadala doon. And madalas doon din nangyayari yung mga kababalagan. Yung imbes na yung mga kriminal yung ma-encounter nila, ay mga kababalaghan pa no yung mangyayari. Kaya dito, panoorin natin.
Yes,
Ayun,
I know I would
may
be terrified
kinakatakutan din
too.
pala yung mga pulis.
While on patrol, this
Diba
officer
po sila
saw an
bigla
empty
eh.
wheelchair parked on the right side of the hallway. When he made another round, he saw that the wheelchair had changed position and was right in the middle of the hallway.
Ito yung
As if that
pinaka-creepy
was
na
not
part, no?
spooky
Yung biglang
enough,
gumalaw
the wheelchair
yung
decided to
chair.
take it to the
No,
next
I
spooky
don't think
level.
kung hospital ba to o isang police station. I guess hospital nga kasi may baka hospital to.
See? See, I no.
Okay.
With how perfect that turn
Ayan,
was, it's
papansin
easy to
natin
believe that
kung saan
there is
gagalaw
some
yan.
supernatural being steering that chair. It all began with normal night patrol for Officer Ben, but things quickly took a spooky turn as he saw a seemingly naked woman right in the middle of the road. What could she be doing? Well, Officer Ben investigated, and here is what he found.
Malik was on patrol when he unexpectedly spotted a strange figure on the left side of the road. She seemed to be starting a fire, prompting him to pull over and investigate. When he approached her, he noticed her face appeared to be burning.
Hindi malinaw yung kanyang mukha, no? So, hindi siya malinaw. I don't think so. Hindi ko alam. Pwede itong no? Alam mo yung parang gumagala, yung parang biglang inatake ng kaluluwa, sinapian, or hindi natin alam, baka sabog. Pero kasi yung kanyang ulo, hindi natin siya gaanong makita. 'Di ba yung sa una, naka-invisible, parang naka-invisible, and then biglang malabo.
He wondered if she was performing some sort of ritual. Shortly after this strange encounter, Officer Malik arrested the woman. What really happened that night remains a mystery.
The woman seemed to be starting a fire in the clip, but what seemed even scarier was that her face also appeared to be on fire. What was happening that night? On a cold night shift, this police officer noticed something strange.
Kusang kusang parang may anino. Parang merong anino na nagpakita bigla, no? So makita yun sa camera, ayun, kitang-kita nga sa camera, may anino.
And he thought he was not seeing right, but CCTV camera footage proves that, well, he did see something, and it will blow your mind.
Watch. It come from, see, there you go. I'm looking dead at it. I guess it came, I waved at it like, you know, I ain't really getting scared now, shit, so I'm just tired of seeing it. I guess it's too cold outside, and he was like,
As shocking as the ghost is, what seems more scary is the way the officer stayed calm. It is probably not his first time seeing something supernatural like this. For most people, when you hear noise, you can ignore it. But if you are a security officer, you have to investigate. And sometimes you come across cryptic situations like this.
Ewan ko pero pwedeng napatumba ng hangin o nagkataon lang na kusang natumba, no? Kasi may ganung pagkakataon, 'di ba? Pero I don't know, 'di ba? Bali natin. Baka ang may gawa nito ay isang paranormal o isang kaluluwang ligaw na nagstay dito. What the? Wow! Oh. Teka, baka may tao doon. Dapat mapuntahan niya pag walang tao doon. So ito yung part 1 natin mga kaparing, no? Gagawa tayo ng part 2 nito. So abangan ninyo ang next video natin. So hindi muna tayo magnanarrate o kumbaga magkukwento ng ganyan. Sa ngayon, reacting video muna yung ginagawa natin. Pero next video natin ay balik tayo sa pagnanarrate ng story about nga sa mga paranormal encounters at mga nakakatakot na bagay o pangyayari. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ako si Mr. Gadex TV at ito ang Gabi ng Misteryo.